shit.
Dude, I got that on video.
That was pretty badass. I'm glad you got it on video. I can't wait to show that. I didn't see it. Can you take frames out of pictures?
Maybe.
Wouldn't that be cool if you got
Oh yeah, it
stuff
looks like
that?
you can.
Or stuff like this in the air?
Yeah.
Is it flipping up?
Yep. What are they waiting for?
We're making sure they don't need any medical assistance.
He already gave the thumbs up.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Maybe he's waiting for the dumbass signal.
Oh, they're looking at something behind the motor. Oh, and the dude's getting out of the boat.
Tilt? T-I-L-T? Tilt? Full tilt? Well, he tilted it all right.
Yeah. Oh, maybe he didn't get out. Looks like they're getting ready to push it.
Mm-hmm. Boy, those guys are earning their ice cream today.
Right? Oh, they're not going to start it. They're going to push it in.
Right. That really kind of makes sense. It didn't go upside down.